This is the X-Watch 2 Pro. It's a really nice smartwatch, lots of different controls, do not disturb, and find your phone, information, brightness, and even settings where you can change your watch faces, screen time, raise wrist to see the time, check out all the different languages you can switch to in this one, change vibration intensity, and of course go into system where you can shut down and reset the watch completely. All that from that particular panel. You can also swipe up and get any messages sent from your phone, look at your step count for the day, heart rate automatically taking a reading when you land on that page, and last night's sleep time. If you go the other direction, you're into the overall app drawer where you've got walking, running, hiking. No GPS in this one, so it's getting your distance calculations from pedometer. You've got heart rate again, which we already looked at. You've got sleep time you saw. You've got blood pressure and blood oxygen readings using green diode technology for all of them. And this woman section is a very robust period tracking system built into both the watch and the app, and they work together. So really working nicely for a ladies' watch. A music player in this one, weather in your area, you got a stopwatch and a countdown timer. All of those features are in here. And of course, we already looked at the settings where we've got controls over your display and languaging and whatnot. You have a variety of different watch faces to choose from. Press and hold and switch them, and you can download some from a dial store as well to the watch. All in all, it's a really nice, thin designed watch. It's well put together, solid sealed back, 2 buttons on this one, removable bands. What more can I say? Beautiful, beautiful watch. It's the X-Watch 2 Pro. Check it out.